Morning magtuon ko, di ko katuon. Kay mo apil-apil po siya, which is good. Well, left-handed mo tusok og dagom. Kuratan nimo ang pasyente lang.
Done.
Ni gawas?
No.
Tubig na? Asa man ni gawas ang tubig?
No.
Did you really poke in the brain? So guys, this is only a practice demo, okay? Gidraw nimo o gi-flash nimo? O gisak malagi nimo balik ang tubig? Mag-unsa day kapag kadako nimo lang?
Be a nurse.
Oh, be a nurse. Di ka mag-doktor.
No.
Ang mag-doktor na lang ka. Mas mayo man ang doktor. Masamad ka ng dagom. Dagan mo kay kakitag dagom.
So guys, I want to try the long inch needle
Okay.
by poking it right here and sucking this
Okay.
blood back up.
Okay, here.
Give me.
Nara, oh. Ibutang saan na diring dagom dire sa plastic. Ibutang na diyang dagom sa plastic. Katupong isa. Okay, gamitan ng dako. Kana. Pila man na ka ml?
Can you help?
This is 2.5 syringe, guys.
So guys, my mom will
Ay.
let me have it.
Ay, nakuan man. Guniti, be. Guniti ka akong i-push. Tarong. Push. Ito. Idoot sa kuha. Atayin pa. Ayaw sa. Kuha sa. Kuha. Okay. Ay.
So I'm going to suck up some blood.
Ayaw, butangig aso. Ay, kanang aso. Air. I-push back na. I-flush siya. Ayaw, ibutang. I-ano dia. Okay. Make sure na walay, ano.
Oh, there was air in it?
Yeah, ayaw, butangig air. Ayan. Okay, tama na.
So I'm going to just poke it into here.
Oh my God, nagitutok na pata. Ayaw kay dagana. Ala, di gawan. Huy! Pod chlorine ranigay, nagdula na siya. Kita man na. Morning wa ko'y makatunan ini, guys. Kaya nagdula naman siya. So guys, when you play with needles, guys, make sure that with adult supervise, okay? This is all practice. So this is a food coloring. So
you want me?
I want her to expose with this kind of needles para di siya madlo kay talawan manggug kay siya, guys. So
Hey!
yeah, you're talawan with needles. Hoy, matusukan ko anang dagom. Be.
So guys, I'm going to add a little bit of blood in here, and then I'm going to suck it back up and add it into the new water vessels. This is blood vessels, I'm just pretending.
Be careful, ma.
And this is water vessels, okay guys? So I'm going to suck the blood up.
Padula ran ako siya, guys.
Okay, this is enough blood.
Oh yeah, but they have an air in it. So you push air first. Okay, up the first. No. Okay, sige, push. Push. Okay. Okay, that's enough. See? Have you seen? Oh yeah, now is the right. See, look, Bo? Have you seen, Bo? So, ni-expand ang vein. So, you hit the right vein, Bo.
Baby cat, no.
Huy, matusok lagi ko anang dagom lagi. Ginoo ko nimo.
So, guys, I'm going... What? Is there any more blood?
No, it's just coming out, Bo. Because it's just absorbed at the bottom. See, that's why it's coming out there. Okay, say bye-bye na.
Wait, what?
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Wait, I need to see.
Daram na sa ilalom po kay kuan man na siya, foam man na. Matusok ka ng dagom ha.
I need to go and look. No?
Ay wala di ay asa ka to ni gawas. O maybe diya sa kilid ni gawas. See? It's like here, see? Imo nang gitos. Oh, that's the vein. Oh, that's a hose, bo. Ayaw bo, ayaw. Ayaw ko anak bukos. Mo man ang agyanan ko no sa vein. Kay tube man ang vein.
I want to remove it.
Ayaw!
Okay. So guys, I'm going to flip it over.
Ayaw. Because you are in the surface already. It means this is usually the injection is only in the skin area.
Can I try something?
Ayaw.
I'm going to add some with a bit of blood.
Di man dapat i-add to sa
With a bit of water. I'm going to use water.
Si bye-bye na, Bi. Uy.
And going to do this. And I'm going to need this needle.
Saan na ni mo?
And then we poke in the glue. I just need to poke it in there. And
Mabali ang needle. Push. There you go.
I'm going to add this into there.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Si bye-bye na.
I need to do something.
Dali na kay di na ni ma-upload. Bye. Look at see. Here.